This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery on your BMW X3 key. This simple process can be done quickly at home with just a couple of tools. First, gather your materials. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and efficient, getting your key fob working perfectly again in no time. Now, let's open up your key fob. Look for the small release button, usually located on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the physical emergency key blade. With the key blade removed, you will see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery nestled in its compartment. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Now, gently pry out the old, depleted battery. Take your new CR2032 coin cell battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Almost done. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Finally, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, ensuring your locks, unlock, and trunk release buttons are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.